Well, I just brought Winx back from the vet, and I have very good news. She has a clean bill of health. She is underweight, which is understandable. She wasn't eating, but as you can tell, she's a cow right now. So, she needs to gain weight. So, the doctor said to not feed her watermelon anymore so she can go on a solid food diet, which looks like she is. And all the other girls are out just foraging for grass, bugs, and whatnot. So, excuse me. Didn't mean to burp, but everyone is doing well. And my girl Winx, she's back to somewhat her normal self. I'm gonna wait for her voice to come back. Then I'll know she's back to 100%. So, hope everyone has a good afternoon.